Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. We're going to be doing a Q&A. This question comes from Bo McKillicuddy with a video of avocado tree bee attractant. The comment is, interesting, I'm told by good authority that spraying a mix of 25% honey and 75% water on blooms does a great job also. So what he's referring to, let's say my avocado right here, is spraying your blooms with diluted honey and water, and bees will be attracted to it. Now, I've tried that in the past, and it does work. It works really well. But the problem is, ants love it too. And I've had ants in my avocado trees for quite some time, but none like, there's one right here on the leaf, but none like when using, get some of these yellow leaves off, when using honey. It was really bad. The whole thing was covered with ants. So I'm trying to lower my black ant population. That's what predominantly the type of ants I have in my garden. So, but yes, it does work. So if any of you want to try to put honey onto your, diluted honey, excuse me, onto your avocado trees, yes, it will work. But I like just sticking to the rosemary. It's a lot easier for me. Thank you for your comment, by the way. Send in your comments because I love reading them and responding to them, and I'm going to keep going with this series of Q&A in this manner. And also send me letters. I love reading letters in the mail. My P.O. box is in the description below. I would love to read letters. It's amazing. Alright everyone. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and